morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What's your name?
Shivapriya, ma'am.
Shivapriya, may I have your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
I'm glad to introduce myself. I'm Shivapriya. I'm born and raised in Bodan, Pochampalli, which is located in Yadadri, Bongir district. I have completed my graduation from Vignan Institute of Technology and Science with an aggregate CGPA of 7.48, and I had done my intermediate in Sri Chaitanya Junior College with a 95 percentage, and I had done my schooling in Ravindra Bharati School with 96 percentage, and I have my hobbies are listening to music and watching TV. And my short-term goal is to be placed in a good company where I can improve my skills and knowledge. And my long-term goal is to be a good position where I work and have a family of 4 members. My father is a businessman, my mother is a housemaker, and my sister is pursuing a pharmacy fourth in Bharat Institution. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, so today we are going to have an interview on .NET. So let me continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is .NET?
.NET is a programming language in software technologies. .NET is a collection of programming language which is used for the development of different type of applications like web applications, mobile applications. That's it.
Can you explain about history before .NET?
Before .NET there are different types of languages like C, Python, Java, and in C language there are some drawbacks like platform independency, security, and reusability. To overcome this problem, .NET has introduced in 2002. By this .NET, we have reduced the deficiencies like platform independency. We have introduced a platform independent in for programmers, and this .NET is used for different types of applications, and it can be also used for various languages.
What are the applications of .NET?
There are so many applications for .NET. There are mobile applications, web applications, window applications, cloud-based development, game development, and artificial intelligence and machine learning, and security and authentication.
Explain the CLR and the roles in .NET.
CLR is a common language runtime. The CLR is the runtime environment which manages the execution of the program like .NET programs, and there are some uses of like memory management and security and exception handling.
What is C Sharp?
C Sharp is a versatile programming language. It is developed by the Microsoft in year 2002. C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language which is used for the reducing the pieces of code called object, and by this platform independent programming language we have used different types of applications.
What is the C Sharp operators?
The C Sharp operator is nothing but a symbol which is used to do the operatings like arithmetic operations, logical operations, bitwise operators, and relation operators and urinary operators.
Okay, Shivapriya, right?
Yes,
So you have done with your interview. So after 2-3 days, my HR will get back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.